back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Wednesday Story Times.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
The last part was I went home crying. So guys, you wanted to know what happened next. Did he contact me? Did we see each other? Did he explain the reason as to why he did whatever he did? Yes, he did each and everything. He tried coming back and he wanted us to start a relationship together, not giving me reasons as to why he had done that. So this guy, after a week, and I started getting over him, forgetting whatever was going on, starting to heal. Then I woke up in the morning and I found a text from him. Remember guys, I'd blocked, I'd not blocked his number, but I deleted his number from my phone. I don't block people, I just delete numbers from my phone. So he texts me and he's like, can we meet? I want to tell you I'm so sorry what happened. I was so stressed. I had a very stressful month. Things are not going on well with me. My family has a problem. My mom, guys, this guy lost his mom. But I don't know why he told me my mom had a problem. And I was like, you told me that your mom was late. He goes like, no, because my dad in marriage. Me being a good girl, I decided to meet him. I was like, okay, tomorrow I'm working, so we meet at my workplace. I wanted to have, guys, it sounds so stupid that after he did, I had to meet him again. But it's a situation whereby I'm this girl who wants to know, what did I do wrong? Why did you? I wasn't in any moment going to get back to him, because at that point I'd say, dear Lord, if you let me go through this situation, I'll never turn back. Never ever turn back. So I wouldn't disrespect my God just because a guy reconnected or called me back or wants me back. No, that was a no. That was a no. However much I love the guy, that was a no, a no, a no. Anyways, that was a no. So later, what's going on? So he came to my workplace. He came with a friend. A friend was a female friend, and we sat, we talked, and he told me that whatever was happening, he wasn't he didn't want to hurt me, only was stressed, and he didn't want me to he didn't want to engage me. He didn't want to engage me in the situation. And I'm like, which situation? I wasn't giving him a chance, all this I was saying, but I wanted to know, what did I do? He goes, so stupid. He goes, I like you so much and I care about you. So if I see you not happy, I don't feel good. So I wanted to just solve this situation, and then we get back together. And I'm like, okay. He goes, anyways, in this month I've spent a lot of money, and right now it's something like 2 weeks that I don't have anything to eat. Can you borrow me some money? And I'm like, borrow you money? So this guy didn't come back to apologize or explain to me what happened after a week. He came back to ask me to help him with my money, my own money. A girl you left standing on that door, a guy who texted you and you blocked that person, a girl you ashamed herself in front of your colleagues. So this girl who is a useless girl, you want to get money from me. I tell him I don't have money. Besides, I've given him some money. I wanted to ask you back for my money because right now I'm not doing good. He changes his face. He says, okay, I know you have money, but you don't want to help me. Then I don't know why women act like that. I already told you that I'm sorry. And I'm like, yeah, I've heard your sorry, but it isn't a good sorry. Your sorry was because you wanted help from me. Say the truth. He said no. Then after some good time, we talked. Then after I had to go back to work, he went. We stopped talking from then. And that is one of the worst thing. Like, ever since he asked me, when he came back and asked me for money, I was like, so this guy came back not because he wanted to talk to me, came back because he needed my help. So I'm there to be like financing, helping him, and his reasoning and his stupid excuses weren't even the true excuses. So time went 2 months, actually 3 months we don't talk. But by this time I like even received his number. I was healing. I'd got someone I was moving out with, like just to get healed. Then like I told you guys in the video, we had friends, like mutual friends. So one day I was like in the city and I called one of his friends. They're like, okay, I'm near your workplace. Are you at work? Can we meet? Yes, I'm talking about workplace, but here there's nowhere you can drop us from like workplaces. So I went to his workplace. I know the guy said, no, I'm not at my workplace, but I'm near. There is a certain restaurant I am. Come, we eat together. So I went to the restaurant. We ate. As we were eating, I didn't know why the friend told me this. To me, I think the friend was like, I don't want to be in the middle of all the situation. I respect you as a friend, and I'll let you know what's going on. He goes, do you know that he's going to get married? I'm like, who? What? Where? Who? I said, who? And he said, yeah, your friend is getting married. Like, he's getting married, he's marrying. I'm like, my friend, like I wasn't even, because we have a lot of friends in mutual friends, like who I started mentioning names and said, no, your ex-boyfriend. Guys, this guy acted like this because he was getting married. All these years we spent together, this guy had a fiancé. Should I call him a fiancé? Should I call that person a fiancé, girlfriend? So to me, then I'm like, are you serious? You're lying. He gave me that date, this and this and this and this. I'm going to be attending. I don't want you to see me in the pictures or see me somewhere and you get angry because I didn't expect, I didn't know. We talked about it with him. You know, friends of your, like friends of your boyfriend's friends are not your friends. That is a bitter truth. Don't you ever say that he's my friend, they're my friends. No, they are not your friend, they are his friends. You understand? They are his friends. So it goes like, that's how I knew that this guy came back even the day. Like, he came back that day before because he wanted me to borrow him money to finance his marriage. Ketra, financing a man's marriage. Oh, guys, I hated the guy up to now. The story stays like that. So he got married to his beautiful wife, and yeah, I don't know whether they're living happily ever after because I don't care. It has been now 4 years we don't even talk to each other. So yeah, so far ever since we don't talk. I've met him 2 times. I learned a lot of lessons. I had a lot of regrets, but a lot of lessons, because right now I just can't fall in love with any person.